So here there are two flowers sitting right next door to one another, which are spent, and you can see that those are actually swelling with seed inside them. So as this now begins to fade, you see the browning leaves or the browning tips. The flower will completely, and the shell at the bottom, the actual style, will fall away, or it will shrivel up and die. And you need to be ready to capture the seed. So as soon as it turns even slightly brown, be ready to catch it, because if you miss that window, your seed will be dispersed and you will have done all of this for nothing. Now, just to show this to you again, here is another. I've just had to remove a spider because the spider's absolutely... There's so many spiders, it's not funny. So if you're arachnophobic, do not visit me. Anyways, here is another seed pod, right? Much smaller one. I'm just going to remove the lower cap, the old style, stigma and style, and there you can see the ovary, and it's beginning to split now. So there's some more seed in there. So I'm just going to remove. Can you just pinch this off? Okay. And turn it like so, and there you can see the seam beginning to unravel. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a Sarracenia seed pod. There are some more here. Here's another one. That one is nearly ready. The stem is already starting to die. You can see it's going yellow. And there's a few more just to the left here. Another one right there. Okay, so that's it. Then after a good long wait, you will see that you see the flower is starting to die. So you want to catch it at about this stage or slightly earlier. And you can actually, if I tilt it, you can actually see it starting to open, and there inside the capsule are all of the Sarracenia seeds. So those are Sarracenia alata seeds, and I'm going to harvest them right now. Right, so here we've got the already picked Sarracenia seed pod, and we're going to just break this open together. So forgive me, I am doing this with one hand, but try and get the lighting right as well. I'm just going to pull the style away, and there you can see one seed's already started to fall out, and I've put it onto a sheet of paper which I've pre-folded so I can actually begin to catch all of the seed. Okay, so I'm just going to, it's very brittle like the seed capsule, so I'm just going to be very careful, you know, so as not to just have it shoot all over the place and get caught in the wind and then just blow away. So there, ladies and gentlemen, is how to harvest Sarracenia seed. So there we go. Now I'll wait for the rest of the capsules. This is the first of quite a few to come, and I think that's a pretty good deal right there. So that's all of the seed, and there you can see the empty ovary, well, dismembered, and we're done. We're done. That was a good long wait, but definitely well worth it. So if you want to try and grow your own Sarracenias, stay tuned, because that will be the next, well, not next episode, but next couple of episodes. I will definitely do one on the germination process. Okay, cool. Guys, have a good one. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves and your families. And I'm gonna head out into the garden. Bye for now. Love you guys.